How to hide Instagram notifications details on Android lock screen. Hiding those all the notification details from Instagram on your lock screen is quite easy and simple. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now let's get started. Tap and hold Instagram app on your device. From this drop-down menu box, select I button. This will let you access to the app info page of Instagram. Select Manage Notification at top of the screen. Ensure that you have allowed notifications. If it is toggle off, you need to toggle on the bottom. On this panel, here you see Hide Notification Details on lock screen. Simply toggle on the bottom. Once done, you have easily hidden your Instagram notifications on Android lock screen. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.